Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to edit multiple video recordings to combine into one video to upload on YouTube. The first thing you're going to do is go to canva.com, click on it. You want the YouTube video. If you don't see it here, you could also type it in here and it will populate. So click on YouTube video. And here you'll see you have this blank page. You go to uploads, right? Because now you have to upload the videos that you want to combine, right? I already have mine uploaded here, but I'm going to show you how to do it, how to find the videos you want. So you click on upload files. Mine are in pictures. Mine are all the way in the bottom, on the bottom. So like I said, they're all there already, but I will upload this one just so you can see what that looks like. Now, while it's uploading, you can see that this bubble is filling up, right? And you can see right here that it's uploading. So we just have to wait for that to upload. This is very easy, guys. This is on canva.com, and you can record your face and your screen together. You can record your face only, or you can record your screen. Okay, it's taking its time here. It's taking its time, so we just have to wait for that to upload completely. Okay. It's kind of slow, guys. I'm sorry. Almost there. Upload. Come on. Almost. Okay. All right. So now it's fully uploaded. And like I said, I don't really need this one because I already have the videos that I wanted to work with. So I'm going to delete this. This was just an example for you to find your own videos. So to delete a video from this section, you just click on the video you want to delete, click on the trash can icon, and click on move to trash. Okay, so I'm going to use 3 of these videos. So what I like to do is to add pages for the number of videos that I'm going to use. So that's a second page and a third page, right? So on this one, I'm going to add this video. Okay. And down here you have the toggle. So you can toggle all the way to the end to find the second page to upload your second video. All right, it's over here. Upload my second video. And I'm going to toggle again. And on this page, I'm going to upload my third video. You have to remember to click on it. If you don't click on it, then you're going to have multiple videos on one page, and you don't want that. Okay, so those are my 3 videos that I'm going to be working with for this tutorial. Okay, all right. So you can just click back on the first page to get back on the first page. So one of the first things that I do is I fill in the blank space with the video. And if you can see the red lines, that tells you when the video is perfectly in the center, perfectly centered. Okay. So there you go. Red lines, perfectly centered. Okay, and I'm toggling here. Clicking on the second video. You have to click on it. And this one too. Just want to fill the space in. Eliminate the white space behind. There we go. And toggle it back again. Or forward, I should say. And do the same thing with this one. Just to fill the space. Okay, there we go. Okay, I go back to the beginning. Click on the video, the beginning. And okay, so now I want to edit it. Say you created a video, you did a video and parts of it you weren't sure about, or parts of it you just don't want in your video. Or like I said, you have multiple videos that you want to combine into one. What you do is you go on this scissor icon, and up here you can see, I don't know if you see the white line running. You can, if you want to cut it, you can trim it like this. Right? You'd have to listen to it, of course, and see what parts you want to trim. Here you go. Right? Okay. So let's say I want to decrease it. It's 2 minutes and 57 seconds. No, the entire thing is 2 minutes. All three videos are 2 minutes and 57 seconds. This one is 1 minute and 17 seconds. Let's say I want to trim it down to, I don't know, 15 seconds. You click done. And now that video is trimmed to 15 seconds. Now keep in mind that the original video is still over here and it's still the full video. Okay, so it's not going to affect that. Okay. Second video, if you want to trim this one, you have to wait. You're going to click on it. This video is 58.2 seconds long. You're going to trim it and say you want to trim it to, you're going to listen to it, right, and see what parts you want to cut out. Say you want to trim it to 11 seconds. You click down, done. And the third one, click on it. Go to the trim again and say you want to do 5 seconds. You click done. Okay, so now how do you combine them? This is how you combine the videos. You combine the videos. Between each video, there's this space. Do you see the space between each video? Space, space. You click on that little icon in the bottom, and it's called the transition icon. And what you do to connect the videos is you could choose one of these icons. Stack, you have flow, there's match and move, there's chop, circle in, and this is how it transitions from one video to the next, connecting the individual clips into one. Okay, so I'm going to choose, well, let's choose one that's obvious, or I'm going to choose line swipe. Okay, and you go over here and you do the same thing, right? You click on the add transition icon and say you want to do flow. You can use the same or you can use different ones, okay? So now, to play the video, just to see how they flow into one video, this is how you do that. And did you see the transition? And here it comes. Okay, and that's a transition. So that's how you would connect multiple video clips into one video, multiple video recordings into one video. Sometimes you don't get out everything that you want to say in one take. So if you have different takes, a number of different takes, this is how you can do it. Now, what do you do if the issue with the video is in the middle of the video? You can cut it up the same way and just, let me show you. So we used this video before. If the issue is then in the center of the video, okay, you would just, all right, say the issue is in the center of the video. You click on the trim icon. You click on the trim icon, and you can cut out the parts that you want, right? And you can use the same video a number of times just on different pages. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay? And that's it. It's really very easy, you guys. I really hope I was clear on this. I could also show you how to share your screen if that's something you're interested in. Just let me know. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was informative and helpful. And I hope you now understand that there's really nothing to stop you from starting your YouTube channel. Okay? Tech is so easy these days, guys. It's, there's like this small learning curve sometimes, especially with Canva. There's a really, really low learning curve. So make your videos and edit them and put them on YouTube. Okay, so how do you get the video off of Canva and onto YouTube? This is what you would do. You would go to Share, click on Share, click on Download, and it gives you the suggested file to download it in, which is MP4. There are others as well, okay, which you can go through, but MP4 I find works perfectly. Click on Download, and as you can see, it's downloading, and you just have to wait for that to download, and it'll download on your computer, and from there you can upload it onto YouTube. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.